What's good, Toronto? Look around. This is supposed to be one of the richest cities, most world-class cities on the planet. Yet every single day, we're stepping over people sleeping on gates, pushing all their belongings in a shopping cart, or curled up in tent cities that keep popping up like weeds. The homeless crisis isn't just getting worse, it's in our face now.
Well, the numbers don't say it all, really. In the last, I believe, 3 years, since 2021, the number of homeless people was about 7,300, and now we've doubled that. So it's over 15,400 homeless people in downtown Toronto, in the city of Toronto, who are homeless.
Shelters are beyond capacity, wait lists for housing, years long, rent has become absolutely insane. Mental health and addiction services are crumbling, and the city keeps downloading the problem onto the province. The province points back at the city. Meanwhile, real people, thousands of them, are out fighting to survive in the cold.
The city's most recent street needs assessment, done nearly a year ago, estimated that more than 1,500 youth were experiencing homelessness on any given night. Covenant House expects these beds to be full within a matter of days.
Enough of the politicians, press conferences, and the sanitized reports. I want to hear it straight from the people living it. So right now, I'm heading down to Sherbourne and Dundas, ground zero for a lot of this, to talk to men and women on the street. No script, no filter, just real conversations about how they ended up here, what a day in their life actually looks like, and what they think is gonna happen this winter when the temperature drops. Stick with me. We're about to go talk to people that the city forgot. Yeah, I jumped on them. This guy looks like he's homeless, no? Yeah. I'm giving away some food. Say no more. I got one for you. It's fresh. Here you go.
We can go anywhere. Yeah, we just got here.
Oh,
Yeah, we just got here. Yeah, we're just giving out free food.
right on.
Yeah. How long have you been living out here?
Almost 2 years.
2 years? How is it like out here?
It's sometimes it's quiet, sometimes it's not. It's cold.
Yeah.
There was more tents here yesterday, but they took them down.
Yeah, I heard they're taking down the tents now because of the cold weather.
Yeah.
Is there a lot of crime around here?
No.
No?
No.
Where's all the other people at?
Everybody knows everybody.
Everybody knows everybody?
Tents today too.
They took tents today too? How many?
2 of them.
2 of them?
Yeah.
Are you staying out here in a tent?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That one right there?
Yeah.
Wow. What does it look like inside?
Inside?
Yeah.
Terrible.
Terrible? Is it cool if I take a look real quick?
Go ahead.
Come on, let's go.
I could put I could put tents up if I want, but I don't want them.
Yeah. I understand. So what are you gonna do when it gets cold out here? You guys just plan to stay here?
Next week, hopefully I'm getting a place.
You're getting a place?
Yeah.
From the government? That's good, that's good, that's good. That's what they claim they're trying to do.
Yeah.
But they don't always deliver, right?
Yeah.
Is it just you living in this tent?
When it rains, I got like a swap on this side,
Yeah.
right? But it's okay on this side.
Okay, I see, I see. Is it just you living in this tent or?
They don't last long.
It doesn't last long? I see.
My ex has his own place.
His own place?
Yeah.
Okay, I see.
My cat, my cat.
Yeah. Okay. This is yours right here?
The door doesn't shut, so.
You got a barbecue and everything. God damn. You're pretty crafty with it. Come. It's just you living in here?
Me and the cat.
Oh, you and the cat. Wow. Wow, come in. Come. This is crazy. So you don't have any heating or anything like that?
Huh?
You don't have any heating or anything like that?
No. I
Wow.
got a stove, but I ran out of propane.
You ran out of paint.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks for showing me the inside of your place.
Warm, yeah, clean it up. Just kidding.
No, you don't have to clean it up, man. It look pretty clean, to be honest. For a place that's outside like this, it's pretty clean. I'm not gonna lie.
Get another sandwich?
Yeah, you can have another sandwich. You're hungry, aren't you? No, I understand. Hey, I got a sandwich for you.
Thank you.
I don't have change, but I have a sandwich for you. You eat chicken? You eat chicken? How long have you been out here? How long have you been out here?
2 years.
2 years?
Yeah.
What happened?
I've been homeless.
You just became homeless?
Yeah.
Okay, what's it like living out here?
More chicken.
Yeah, 1 second, what's it like living out here?
Life?
Yeah, like what's it like? Is it like okay? Is it like,
I sleep all over a friend's house.
oh, wow, wow. So like you plan on, like are you,
I'm moving into shelter now.
oh, you're moving to shelter? Do you plan on getting housing in the future?
I don't know. I'm worried that people will steal my stuff.
Wow, I'm not surprised, you know, it's the conditions you live in, right? Does it get violent out here? No? Peaceful? Okay, okay. That's nice to hear. All right, well,
Is that a camera?
yeah, it's a camera. We're independent journalists. We're just handing out food to the homeless, you know?
Independent journalist?
Yeah, independent journalists.
Oh, should I work for you? Do you want any service? Cleaning?
Hey, not right now. Not right now. If I needed some, I'd
Okay.
I'd hit you up.
If you ever have like a mess going on and you need someone to clean over your stuff,
Yeah.
like a place,
Yeah.
I can come and do that for you.
Okay, okay.
Promise I'll
You guys hear that?
I'll bring my own supply. I'll bring all the cleaning supply.
Okay, say no more.
Do you have any card?
Card? I don't. You don't have a phone though, do you?
I have.
You have a phone? I'll give you my YouTube.
YouTube, okay.
Yeah. Just follow my YouTube. I don't know why it's not showing up. T-O-N.
You can take my YouTube channel and then
Oh,
when
here
you
we
find
go.
me, you can add me too.
Here we go.
That's you?
This is my channel. Yeah. There you
So
go.
we'll see it.
Yeah, just hit me up, you know?
Thank
Yeah. You have a good day.
I'll watch you.
You know anybody else around here that's hungry? Can you point me in a good direction? They're all over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going there.
What's up, brother? You guys hungry? You guys want some food?
What kind of
Yo, junior chicken.
junior chicken?
Yeah.
McDonald's?
Yeah, McDonald's, man. Just out here handing out food, you know, to the less fortunate, you know? You okay? Thank you. All right. Say no more. No, don't do this over here. Oh, fly that guy, fam. That guy's a bucket, fam. You hungry? I'm giving out junior chickens.
What?
I'm giving out junior chickens. Would you like a sandwich?
Do you have a small bag or something that I can carry it with?
Oh shit! I guess you can carry it with this. Is that cool?
That's a napkin.
That's a napkin. Hey, you have a pocket, right? You can put it in a pocket.
Yeah, why not? Here.
Yeah. How long have you been out here, brother? On these streets?
Oh, a good 8 or 9 months. All because of a landlord that chose to retire at 80 and threw us all out, all 30 of us onto the street. Just so we could
Oh, so that's crazy.
yeah.
So where do you live now? You live?
Always priority number one.
Yeah. So where do you live now?
I'm at the Plaza Hotel
Yeah.
on James and Wilson.
Okay. Would you like another one? Yeah.
Like I told you.
Jalen
The
401?
Plaza, that's right, Jalen.
Oh, okay. Does it get violent out here?
Yeah, this area can get real dangerous.
Okay.
Get you guys home safe
Yeah.
and have a good week.
All right. Have a good day, brother. Anybody in there? Nah. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. Junior chickens, man. Yeah, man. We're all here just feeding the homeless, you know? Yeah. I tried to hand out some food over there, and the guy over there he got kind of mad. I'm like, buddy, I'm just trying to give out some free food. You guys aren't hungry? I guess he doesn't want his people to be fed. But how long have you been out here on these streets, brother?
5 years.
5 years?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your situation like? How did you end up on the streets?
Oh man, fuck. I had a house in Kennington 5 years ago.
Yeah.
Started hearing these voices, seeing these signs. Like, honestly, I'm not able to save $1. Shit's fucked up.
And then you just ended up on the streets.
Honestly, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So are you like, do you stay at this park or anything like that? Or?
On the subway.
Oh, you're in a subway situation.
Yeah, we're in and out of jail.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Okay. I see you're drinking early, man.
Honestly, you guys want?
No, I'm good. What's it like out here? Like, 'cause I see you roaming this area right here. Everybody knows about this park.
Honestly, these people, like, I grew up in a small town, like, honestly, way north, but these people are solid. Like, they're good.
They're good people?
Yeah.
How do you feel about the government, like, tearing down the tents and forcing people to leave the park?
True, but I thought they were forcing people to leave the park and then giving them a shelter, right? Like, that's what I heard, anyways. I don't know too much about that. I don't want to talk too much about that.
Okay, I understand.
Yo, respect, though. I appreciate you.
Yeah. Have a good one. If you want another one, I could give you another one.
I'm good.
You're good? All right, have a good day.